everyone. Our topic for today is about definite integral. Definition. Definite integral is defined to be exactly the limit and summation that we looked at in the last section to find the net area between a function and the x-axis. Also note that the notation for the definite integral is very similar to the notation for an indefinite integral. Properties of definite integrals. Number 1. The definite integral from a to a of f of x dx equals 0. Number 2. The definite integral from a to b c times f of x dx equals c. The definite integral from a to b f of x dx for any real constant c. Number 3. The definite integral from a to b f of x plus positive negative g of x dx equals the definite integral from a to b f of x dx plus minus the definite integral from a to b g of x dx. Number 4. The definite integral from a to a f of x dx equals the definite integral from a to c f of x dx plus the definite integral from c to b f of x dx for any real number c. Fundamental theorem of calculus. Let f be continuous on the interval eb and let f be any antiderivatives of f, then the definite integral from a to b f of x dx equals f of b minus f of a equals f of x from a to b. Evaluate. Examples. Evaluate. Number 1. The definite integral from 1 to 2 of 2x dx. So the solution, using the rules of integration, we find that the definite integral using the rules of integration, we find that the integral of 2x dx equals x squared plus c. Now, calculate that at 1 and 2, at x equals 1, here, the integral 2x dx equals 1 squared plus c. And at x equals 2, here, this 2, the integral 2x dx equals 2 squared plus c. So, now these two results, we subtract it. So, in this form, 2 squared plus c minus 1 squared plus c. So, by simplifying, we have 2 squared plus c minus 1 squared minus c equals 4 minus 1 plus c minus c. So, the result is equal to 3. So, the definite integral from 1 to 2 of 2x dx is equal to 3. That is answer number 1. Example number 2. The definite integral from 2 to 5 of 6x squared minus 3x plus 5 dx. So the solution is C. So first is 6. So mao ni ang primero nga mga solution. So first inanion nato 6, the definite integral from 2 to 5 of x squared minus 3, the definite integral from 2 to 5 of x dx plus the definite integral from 2 to 5 of 5 dx. So, the integral of x squared, we have 2x squared, and the integral of and the 3 integral of x dx is 3x squared over 2 plus the integral of 5 dx, so the result is 5x. So now we evaluate this. So 2x squared from 2 to 5 minus 3x squared over 2 from 2 to 5 plus 5x from 2 to 5. So, by simplifying, we have 2 times 5 cubed minus 2 cubed minus 3 halves times 5 squared minus 2 squared plus 5 times 5 minus 2. So, our next nga atong buhaton is we need to simplify this. So, the result is this. We need to simplify. So, the simplify of 2 times 5 cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 234 minus the simplify 3 halves times 5 squared minus 2 squared is equal to 63 over 2 plus the to simplify 5 times 5 minus 2 is equal to 15. So, by simplifying again of 234 minus 63 over 2 plus 15, we have the result 435 over 2. So, the definite integral of example number 2 is 435 over 2. Now, it's your turn. Activities. Number 1. The definite integral from 1 to 2 of 3x minus 1 dx. Number 2. The definite integral from negative 2 to 3 times x squared plus 2x minus 3 dx. Number 3. The definite integral from 1 to 2 of 1 over 2x plus 2 squared. Number 4. The definite integral from 1 to 4 of 1 over square root of x. Number 5. The definite integral from 0 to 4 of square root of 2x plus 1. So that is your activity. Thank you.